Hello students, today I am going to show, we are going to solve some basic problems in mole concept. Before that, I will tell you how to calculate the molar mass for a compound, right? To calculate the molar mass for a compound, you need to know first about atomic weights of the elements. You need to know first about atomic weights of elements, right? First, I am going to list atomic weights for elements 1 to 20, and then we are going to calculate the molar masses, right? First hydrogen, second helium, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10, sodium 11, magnesium 12, aluminum 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, and sulfur 16, chlorine 17, argon 18, potassium 19, calcium 20. Okay, you know the atomic numbers, right? Now we are going to calculate the atomic weight. So there is a simple trick except for hydrogen and nitrogen. If you know the atomic number, you can calculate the atomic weight by the simple trick. So if atomic number is even, double of it is its atomic weight. So 2 is an even number, so 4 is its atomic weight. Then go for another even number. Beryllium is 4. So double of 4 is 8. So 4 is its atomic weight. Okay. If atomic number is odd, double plus 1 is its atomic weight. If atomic number is odd, double plus 1 is its atomic weight. So double plus 1 means 7 is its atomic weight. Right? Simple, right? Hydrogen, 1 will come. Hydrogen atomic weight is also 1. Right? Next, coming to the boron, 5 is an odd number. Odd number double plus 1 is its atomic weight. So boron 511 is coming. Carbon 6 is an even number. So double is its atomic weight. Next, nitrogen 7, exception will come. Even it is odd number, 14 is its atomic weight. Oxygen, even number, so its atomic weight is 16. Fluorine, odd number, double plus 1, its atomic weight is 19. Neon 10, its atomic weight is 20. Sodium 23. Magnesium 24. Aluminum 27. Silicon 28. Phosphorus 31. Sulfur 32. Chlorine 35. Generally used to write 35.5. Next, argon 36. Potassium 39. Calcium 40. Right. So I request you student to take a screenshot of it. From this we are going to calculate molar mass of the compounds. I will show you for 4 compounds how to calculate the molar mass by using these atomic weights. Are you ready? So first I will list the 4 compounds and I am going to calculate the molar mass for that compounds. If you take HCl, hydrogen atomic weight is 1. Generally for molar mass units are gram per mole. For molar mass, units are gram per mole. So HCl is 1, chlorine is 35.5. We can take 35 also, 35.5 generally they used to give. So HCl molar mass is 36.5 gram per mole. HCl molar mass is 36.5 gram per mole, right? Next, if you take H2SO4, 2 hydrogen atoms. So hydrogen atom atomic weight is 1 only. There are 2 hydrogen atoms, so 2 plus. Sulfur atomic weight is 32. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. There are 4 oxygen atoms. 16 into 4, 64. So 64, here 98 will come. This is the molar mass for H2SO4, right? So then I will write for sulfur dioxide. Sulfur is for 32, oxygen is for 32, right? One sulfur atom is 32 atomic weight. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. Since there are 2 oxygen atoms, so 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 32. So 64 gram per mole, right? So SO3, SO3 if you take, sulfur 32, oxygen 16, 16 3s are 48, 48. So our molar mass is going to be 80 gram per mole. Okay, first find the atomic weight. First list the elements, write their atomic weights and add them, your molar mass will come. This is the simple concept. In question paper setter, 99% he will give the molar mass. You no need to calculate. To have an idea, I showed you how to calculate the molar mass, right? Now I am going to solve the problems, basic problems, right? First, I will solve the basic problems. Then we are going to solve the problems up to IIT-JEE advanced level. Don't worry, right? I will give you simple tips to solve the problems and simple approach. You never find everywhere, right? That much simple approach I am going to give. First, by solving the problems, to solve the problems, first follow this path. Whatever I am showing, just follow this path. You will solve any kind of problem without confusion and without fear, right? So, first of all, remember these two formulas. Moles equal to mass by molar mass. And the second one is 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay. To remember these two formulas, right? 2 points. And coming to here, we have conversions mass to mole. Okay. Second conversion, mole to mass. Right. And third conversion, atoms to moles, moles to mass. And next conversion, mass to moles, moles to atoms. See, I am dedicating 5 to 6 videos for problems only, right? If you understand the problems in mole concept, then physical chemistry will be very easy. Why? Because everywhere, even in electrochemistry, even in thermodynamics, everywhere he will include these mole concept problems at the end, right? So this mole concept will be coming everywhere in chemistry. So understand carefully. I am giving more time. I am dedicating more videos to this mole concept. Okay. I hope you understand. So now understand this path. Now I am going to solve the problems. First path is mass to mole. Second, mole to mass. Next, atoms to moles, moles to mass, mass to moles, moles to atoms, right? I am going to write the problem over here. Let me write it small to understand you better, right? So we have 4 paths. The first one is mass to moles. The second path is moles to mass. Another path is mass to moles, moles to atoms. Another path is atoms to moles, moles to mass. The first problem we are going to solve. What is the mass of 49 grams, 49, what is the mass of 2 moles of, HCl? He will give the question like this. Generally in NEET and IIT-JEE advanced, sometimes they will give simple questions also, right? Don't think they always give the problems with which have tough calculations. Don't think like that. Sometimes they will give the simple problems also. So if you refer previous year question papers, you will find very, very simple problems, right? So first coming to here, what is the mass of 2 moles of HCl? So what the conversion we are doing over here? He is asking mass, right? He has given the moles. He is asking us to calculate the mass. I repeat, he has given the moles. He asked us to calculate the mass. So this is second conversion, second part. So first I have told you only 2 things now. Moles equal to N equal to weight by molar mass. And this we are going to use here. We are going to use this here. So what are the moles he has given? 2. He asked us to calculate the moles. We can use either M also. We can use instead M also for mass here. So by molar mass, right? We can write W equal to 2 into mm. HCl just now I showed you, right? H is 1, chlorine is 30.5. This is 36.5 gram per mole, right? Substitute here W equal to 2 into 36.5, it will come 73. Okay, 73 grams. Understood? This is the second part. Moles to mass, I showed you. What is the mass of 2 moles of HCl? Just I used the formula, right? Moles, they have already given in the question. I have substituted over here. And weight equal to, I have calculated. See, so how simple, how simple. So if you directly look at the question, mass, moles, you will be confused. Always follow this path, what I am going to show you. Even this path is very much help you to solve the IIT-JEE advanced level problems in a simple approach. Trust me, follow my videos and you will be benefited to the maximum extent, right? And second question we are going to solve. Second question we are going to solve. So I will write 49 grams of H2SO4. 49 grams of H2SO4. 49 grams of H2SO4 means how many moles of H2SO4? 49 grams of H2SO4 means how many moles of H2SO4? Here what he is giving? He is giving us mass. He is giving mass. He asked us to calculate the moles. So just follow the first path. Just follow the first path, mass to moles. So we have the formula. What is that? Weight, moles equal to weight by molar mass, right? He asked us to calculate the moles and he gave us the weight. For H2SO4, the molar mass is, for H2SO4, the molar mass is 2 plus 32 plus 64. It is coming 98 gram per mole, right? Hydrogen it is 2, sulfur it is 32, oxygen it is 64. So 98 gram per mole is coming. I am going to substitute here, right? N equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5 mole is coming. Clear? So the second path is also over. Mass to moles, right? He has given the mass. He asked us to calculate the moles. Use the formula moles equal to weight by molar mass, and we have calculated. It comes as 0.5 mole, right? This second is also over. Now I will show you the third path. Right? So I will write over here. So 49 grams of H2SO4. 49 grams of H2SO4 contains how many H2SO4 molecules? How many H2SO4 molecules? So 49 grams of H2SO4 contains how many H2SO4 molecules? So here which conversion we are going to do? He has given us, so question, just observe, grams means mass he is giving. He is asking us he asked us to calculate the atoms. So we need to follow this path. I repeat, in the question he has given the mass and he asked us to calculate the molecules. So we need to follow this path. First write mass. What is the mass of the H2SO4? 49 grams. Then how many moles? So to convert the mass into moles, you need to use this formula. N equal to mass by molar mass. Okay. And what is the mass of the H2SO4 over here? 49. What is the molar mass? Just now we calculated 98. 49 by 2, 98. 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5 mole. Here I am writing 0.5 mole. Okay. So what is the final step here? After the mass, we need to convert the moles into atoms or molecules. We need to convert the moles into atoms or molecules. So as we know, 1 mole equal to 0.623 into 10 power 23. Okay, 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. But here how many moles? 0.5 moles. So 0.5 moles means how much? 0.5 moles means how much? So it will come like this, right? 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 0.5 by 1. Okay, if you calculate this, it will come 3.01 into 10 power 23 molecules. I am writing over here 3.01 into 10 power 23 molecules. I repeat, in the question, he has given the mass, he asked us to calculate the atoms or molecules. So we need to follow this path. First, I am converting the mass to moles and then moles to molecules. To convert the mass to moles, we have the formula moles equal to weight by molar mass. From that, I have calculated the moles of the H2SO4 is 0.5 mole. The next step is converting the moles to molecules. I know 1 mole equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. So for 0.5 mole it is coming 3.01 into 10 power 23 molecules. So I can say 49 grams of H2SO4 contains 3.01 into 10 power 23 molecules. I repeat, I can say 49 grams of H2SO4 contains 3.01 into 10 power 23 H2SO4 molecules. Then I am going to show this last path and I am going to stop the class. From tomorrow onwards, from next video onwards, we are going to do IIT-JEE advanced level problems. Okay. So here we see the last path. 6.023 into 10 power 23 HCl molecules. Otherwise I can frame like this. What is the mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of HCl? Suppose if he has given the question like this, what he has given? He has given the molecules. So what he asked us to calculate the mass. So we need to follow this path, right? So first we need to convert the molecules into moles, from then moles to mass. Okay. So he has given the molecules, he asked us to calculate the mass. We need to follow this path, molecules to moles, moles to mass, right? So how many molecules? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. We know 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules is 1 mole, right? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules, 10 power 23 molecules corresponds to 1 mole. So here 1 mole is coming. So moles to mass, to convert the moles to mass, what the formula we have? Moles equal to weight by molar mass, right? I am going to substitute here. Moles is 1, right? Weight I need to calculate. Molar mass of HCl is H is 1, chlorine is 35.5, so 36.5 gram per mole. This is the molar mass of HCl. So I am going to substitute over here. So 36.5. Weight equal to 36.5 grams. It is coming. Understood? I repeat. He has given the molecules. You can write molecules also over here. He has given the molecules. He asked us to calculate the mass. So he has given the 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. That means it is 1 mole. Now I need to convert the moles to the mass. For that I have the formula moles equal to weight by molar mass. I am substituting the values. I am getting the value weight is equal to 36.56 grams. Okay. If you like the video, kindly share and subscribe. And stay on. I will solve more problems for you with simple approach, with simple logics. Okay. Thank you.